got to keep this completely full of water. And you let go like that, it'll drain down until it hits the end of that pipe, and you don't have to worry about draining your pool down too far. All right, I'm going to glue my piece on the end that will be for my hose. I couldn't find the exact piece for this because I just went to my local hardware store, so I had to buy a couple. I'm going to glue some of this on, and then I want to probably take this out and glue the rest on out at my pool. So I know this is all going to hang nice, and like some of these pieces are going to be different. I can't really tell you sizes. These pieces here I think are, I can tell you, I don't know if you care, these pieces could be the same. Yeah, 2.5 inches. So it's going to look like that. Those pieces are 2.5 inches. These pieces are that hang over the edge of my pool. I can't tell you because the edge of your pool might be different. And these pieces may be a little different too because you might want to keep the height of your pool different. So you're just going to have to maybe make them a little bit long at first and just start siphoning your pool down and watch. And then maybe stick your finger down there and mark it wherever you think it needs to be, and then you can pull it out, cut it, and then you'll be good to go for the next time. Because this first time go around, I'm also going to be watching that to see. I just kind of tried to measure with my tape measure where my skimmer is, and I like to keep mine a little bit halfway up on my skimmer. Also, I'm not going to glue these on these pieces because I want to make 2 longer ones, so I can put 2 longer ones in here. So when I go to winterize my pool, I can just put the 2 longer ones in there, winterize my pool, and I don't got to worry about over draining my pool. So let me glue. I can definitely glue this T on. It's a little wet because I already tried it and it works really awesome. I'll show you here. See, they could be all different. I just made it wide, and like I said, I seen this. I really didn't come up with this. I seen a Twitter, I think it was a Twitter post or something. A guy made a little video that he made one of these, and I thought it was pretty slick. I wish I knew his name because I would give him a little shout out, say it was actually pretty awesome. So not gonna glue that up yet. I can glue this gray one to this one. See, they go in a little further, so now I'm going to take this out and finish the rest up out there. All right, let me finish the rest up here at my pool. And if you do this at your pool like I did, don't drop your piece in your pool, because I just did that. I should have showed that on camera. That way you guys could all laugh at me. I'm going to try to do these both at the same time. It's not like they got to be super sealed up. And put that over that. Gotta work. Just kind of wanted that to all sit the same. I think I'm gonna get a marker, and these ones I want to be straight up and down as much as I can help. I might end up putting like a 4x4 on this when I do this, especially when I go to winterize it. So it's like if I'm only taking a little off, I don't care if it's down beside. But when I winterize it, I'm taking quite a bit off, so I'll probably put my hose on. I think that looks good. All right, glue them on, then I can show you how this works. Make sure that still sits there good. Yeah, perfect. Good enough. All right, I think I have it all glued up. Like I said, I have a piece down here that I can hook a hose to if I want to make all my water go away from my pool. And all these pieces, you're going to have to try to figure this out. This is 1/2 inch schedule 40. I mean, you could probably make this out of whatever you want. This is just some of the stuff I had laying around the house. I had to go buy one piece, and all I had was this gray stuff. If you go, I'm guessing all you need to get is an 8-foot piece, and you could make this up. But you see what I got? I got, what, four 90s, one T, and I do have one cap here, and like I said, the piece for the hose. The one cap is only because, I'll show you how I do this. I take this, turn this upside down, put this down inside my pool, fill it up with water, totally stick it under the water, and stick your finger over the end, and you stick your finger over this end. You gotta keep this completely full of water, and you let go like that. It'll drain down until it hits the end of that pipe, and you don't have to worry about draining your pool down too far. Pretty slick. I did have this piece of 4x4 I could lay up here. Let me show you what she is draining out real nice and fast. These pipes are down in my pool just enough so I can hopefully get it down to just above halfway on my skimmer over there, and then it should stop. Now maybe you could do it without that other cap on the other side, but I just found it was easier, and it's all right. So if any of you guys know the guy that did put that video on, I think it was Twitter, let me know so I can tell him thank you. And I made a little video up of his invention. So if you like this, give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and happy swimming.